Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Since the season update in COD mobile, a lot of players have been experiencing a connecting to server error on both iOS and Android device. While some bugs are minor and temporary, others are long-lasting and game-breaking. The loading timeout error falls in the latter category as it has proved that countless iOS and Android users over the years. There are quite possibly few reasons why this problem might arise for users. For some it could be due to an older OS version or a weak Wi-Fi or cellular network. Today I will discuss how to fix connecting to server error in COD mobile. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. First, close the game. Then click settings. Click apps. Click Call of Duty. Click storage. Then click clear data. Click OK. Now open the game again. Click OK. Then allow all permission. It will take some time to update. Click OK. Click Confirm. Select Accept. Log into your account. Then click Guest option. Select your email address. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.